Is TWG the next SMX, and will this ticker be seeing the $500 levels in a week from now? Or is this a ticker which should be locking your profits and walking away from? What's up, trend friends? Today, we're seeing TWG under 3 different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a cal breakdown, the what, some stock analysis were, telling you guys where to get in and where to get out. So without further ado, hit the thumbs up button, and now let's get to work. So what the hell is going on regarding TWG, guys? TWG is a ticker which has already ran a whopping freaking, how much has it run in the after hours or in the pre-market? It's already up over a whopping 86%, right? Now, what you guys got to understand is that everyone is in the search for the next SMX, right? Everyone's looking for the next ticker that can go on this massive 3000x rally, right? Which SMX did, right? I think it was even more than 3000x. I mean, it was insanity, right? It was just insane. I think it was 3,900% actually. That's what it was, okay? It was a 40x, I believe, it went on. So what's going on regarding TWG? As always, right, we want to analyze, okay, well, why is the ticker moving in the first place, right? Now, I'm here to tell you, okay, short and sweet, TWG is not going to have a price action like SMX. It's just not, okay? It's not. In fact, it could have a way more volatile price action than SMX, as in the price action which we saw in SMX was higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? As time progressed, let's take a look at SMX and we'll just compare them. As time progressed, we saw SMX go on this multi-day rally. Let me pull up the 4-hour chart for us real quick. Right, so higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, boom, explosion, right? So what you're not going to see in TWG is going to be something like this, okay? You're just not going to see this. Now, why are you not going to see this? You're not going to see this in TWG because inherently TWG does not trade like this. It has never done so, and it's not possible for it to do so. Why do you say that, Sam? Why is it not possible for it to do so? Because it's from Hong Kong. It's Chinese. Okay, it's a Chinese ticker. It's a Chinese ticker. These Chinese tickers, let me tell you something. I have seen Chinese tickers do what SMX did. I have seen Chinese tickers do what SMX did. We can find SMX. I've seen Chinese tickers do what SMX did in a week, go from $3 to $490. I have seen them do it in a day. In one day, I have seen stocks go from $10 to $3,500. I mean, listen, if you've been trading long enough, you know about the stock HKD. Maybe you're familiar with it, maybe you're not. But let's take a look at it. Let's try HKD. This ticker now sitting at $1.57, okay? Ran from $12 to $2,500 a share. Now, it says $2,500, right? But it actually went closer to $3,000. It's just that it didn't close the day at $3,000. It closed the day at $2,500. So think about it, right? It went from 12 bucks to what? To $2,500, right? Now you may say, Sam, oh, look, it went on a multi-day rally, right? It did go on a multi-day rally, and you're right. However, majority of the move was given on its last day, on its last single day. Okay, so for me, you know, I guys gotta understand when TG, what the hell did I just do? When HKD came out, okay, it literally just stopped doing that after that, right? After that one multi-day rally, everything else was just a one-day pump. Look at this. So it went from 48 to 380, came back down the next day, right? Over and over and over again. So what I'm trying to tell you guys, I guess, is, you know, stocks, these Chinese tickers are pump and dumps, right? Now, how high can they pump? Only God knows. But is it going to be a multi-day rally? Very unlikely. I mean, if you look at over here, TWG, you could say, Sam, look, but it went on a multi-day rally previously. I guess you could say it did, right? But for me, I think that statistically, what's a lot more likely for it to happen is for us to get candles like this, which it goes from pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. And these are all daily candles, right? So these are all in a day that this is happening. Pump, dump, right? Over and 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 over again, right? So for me, I think that when it comes to TWG, is TWG the next SMX? I don't think so. I don't think it has the capability. It's just not built like that. It's not built like SMX. And listen, I could be wrong, right? I could be wrong. It can squeeze to $5 billion, right? But at the end of the day, I don't think that it's worth it, right? I'll tell you guys this. I think that this is one of those tickers, right, that is best to be traded. It's best to be day traded, okay? Like, for example, literally today, we bought the dip at $10 today, okay? Literally trading it in pre-market. Right now, we're crushing it. It's sitting at 12. I do see it going yet and retesting this potentially this I don't like that it didn't break 1265, so we may have to lock in some profits in our community. But regardless, this morning we had a killing trading CTX as well in pre-market as well, right? CTX was a really good one for me. I think that CTX does fit the criteria of being the next SMX way more than TWG does. Even though they are both very small flow, this one has 500K, this one has like almost 800K, let's just say 750K. They do that. However, TWG is Chinese. So for me, it's purely just a pump and dump play, and I'm not a fan of it, right? Now, listen, I trade almost every single day. Again, these are day trading stocks, okay? So for me, I wouldn't be a fan of holding TWG for multiple days. If you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, check out our private community. We've been absolutely crushing it day in, day out. We're the only community, guys, that does a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. We have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons, one-on-one access, dividend stocks, crypto alerts, you name it, we got it. We've been absolutely crushing it. Like I said, we're the only community that does 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Nobody else does this. You may say, Sam, Jimmy does a 2 weeks free trial. This guy does a 2 weeks free trial, but they don't do a 30 days money back guarantee because their strategy relies on you forgetting that you signed up. Your card gets charged, and they're like, haha, gotcha. That's not how we operate. Literally, after you get charged, you still have way more time to say, hey, you know what, man? This isn't for me. I want a refund. Give me back my money. Here you go, sir. Here's your refund. Pleasure not doing business with you, I guess, right? But we've been crushing it, man. Literally today, CTX Madge brought in $12,000 off of CTX. A-Trade, literally new member, says, beautiful scouts on MTVR pump. Thanks for putting it back on my radar. $1,000 over here on MTVR. D-Bro says, bull pick on A-Trade. Thank you for quickening it out. Off to my shitty job, right? Good luck, everyone, right? This is literally today, $467 off of CTX. Crushing, man. Friday, we made a killing on PLRZ. We made a killing on YYAI pump. Over here, CM did. Astrid on Friday again says, today I want to share my profits as a member of this group. I'm very amazed by the services of these people. So good and appreciative of their work. Like Sam Bullpick, I want to say that you have to be patient and why still be more red in your investment, that you just have to they just have to take suggestions from people who are like Sam. These are the other mentors. He brought in 34,000 GBP. Okay, in a single day trading with us. Elite Trader Ollie brought in 330. Says, cheers, Sam, and the patience more key to come. Eugene brought in $39. So big wins, small wins, all across the board, man. We've been crushing it. Kyle brought in 3,400 the past week. Shout out Kyle. $27 over here for Heather. Pretty good climb. Look at this massive climb. Beautiful, beautiful. Savage Keyboard says, my bags are full this week. Big ups, thanks for the assist. Beautiful, beautiful. We've been crushing it, man. We've been absolutely crushing it. And one more thing as well, guys. Right now, we do have a massive sale for the holidays. The next 10 members that join, they get access to everything for a 50% discount. Weepo Man says 7 trial days down. It means trial. It says trial. 7 trial days down, 7 to go. Open a new broker account to track this Discord alerts. And if this keeps up, I'm going to become a member. Thank you. He brought in either 6,000 or 8,000 the past week. I can't really see, but this is last week, Wednesday. Ong says, thank you, Sammy Boy and the crew. Great trades all around. Account getting ready for me to start dabbling into options. These are just from day trade alerts and swing alerts. First day here and feel stupid for not having joined sooner. Beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful. 5 days into the 14. Now this is about a week ago or so, give or take. Says 5 days, 10 days ago. 5 days into the 14 days free trial, and the Discord costs already paid for. I've only been trading swing alerts. So again, we give you everything. We give you day trade alerts, swing alerts, and option alerts. And if you don't know how to trade options, don't worry. We teach you how to follow our alerts, okay? But we do primarily do day trade alerts and swing alerts for stocks, okay? So we don't just do options. And yeah, that's it.